One man started with just 19,000 rupees in borrowed money in 1945 and turned it into a 33 lakh rupees crore empire that makes more revenue than the entire GDP of Norway. Sam Walton didn't inherit wealth. He didn't go to Harvard. He grew up so poor. He milked cows and sold magazines just to help his family survive the Great Depression. This is the story nobody tells you. Sam Walton was born in 1918 in Kingfisher, Oklahoma, a town so small, most maps ignored it. His father was a farm loan appraiser who moved the family 7 times before Sam turned 10. By college, Sam was waiting tables and working 3 jobs just to pay fees. But here's what's insane. He was elected student body president at University of Missouri. Broke, but unstoppable. In 1945, Sam borrowed 19,000 rupees, roughly 26 lakh rupees in today's value, from his father-in-law and opened his first store in Newport, Arkansas. Within 5 years, he made it the top-performing Ben Franklin franchise in the entire region. Then his landlord literally stole the store from him, refused to renew the lease because it was too profitable. Sam lost everything. He was 32 years old. Most people would quit. Sam Walton opened a new store in Bentonville, Arkansas, population 3,000. A town so small, competitors laughed at him. But Sam had discovered something dangerous. If you price products cheaper than everyone else and move inventory faster, you make more profit with less margin. He called it, sell it cheap, stack it deep. By 1962, he had 16 stores. The giants didn't even notice him yet. On 2nd July 1962, the same year Walmart and Target launched, Sam Walton opened the first official Walmart in Rogers, Arkansas. His secret weapon was brutal data obsession. Every Saturday at 7:30 a.m., he held a meeting with all managers. He flew his own plane to visit stores unannounced. He personally counted products on shelves. By 1970, Walmart had 38 stores and 120 crore rupees in annual sales. The explosion had begun. Here's the fact that will blow your mind. Sam Walton became the richest man in America in 1985, worth 7,000 crore rupees at the time. But he drove a 1979 Ford pickup truck. He got 5 rupee haircuts. He shared hotel rooms with colleagues on business trips. He told his children, give back more than you take. While competitors spent money looking rich, Sam spent every rupee building systems that made more money. That's the real Walmart secret. Sam Walton invented the famous Walmart cheer, give me a W. Give me an A. Because he visited a Korean tennis ball factory in 1975 and saw workers doing morning exercises together. He stole the idea immediately. Why? Because he understood that culture is a moat. Walmart employees felt ownership. That psychological trick reduced staff turnover by 40% and saved the company thousands of crores annually. Lesson: copy what works, fast. Now here's the India angle that should keep you awake tonight. Reliance Retail is doing exactly what Sam Walton did. JioMart, small town penetration, price disruption. D-Mart's Radhakishan Damani studied Walmart's playbook word forward. D-Mart stock went from 299 rupees in 2017 to over 4,000 rupees, a 1,200% return. The Walmart model works in India right now. The Kirana store owner reading this? You have an advantage Sam never had, the internet and AI tools. Sam Walton died in 1992 worth 45,000 crore rupees, but his family is worth 33 lakh rupees crore today. One store. One obsession. One rule, always give the customer more value than they expect. If a broke boy from Oklahoma can build the world's biggest empire, what's your excuse? Subscribe and hit the bell right now. We drop life-changing money facts every single week that your school, your college, and your parents never taught you.